Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. You've tuned into the press conference of the showcase by Lakme Salon and Pankaj Nidhi at the Fashion Design Council of India and Lakme Fashion Week's joint digital edition. The collaboration between Lakme Salon and the dynamic designers is a celebration of new beginnings that encourages you to embrace the future with optimistic and unbridled self-expression. Now, through the showcase, we all witness India's most respected salon chain, Lakme Salon, unveil its latest hair collection with award-winning designer duo Pankaj and Nidhi. The show titled Kaleido married the designer's graphic cool aesthetic with the textured, free-flowing hair looks by Lakme Salon that were inspired by the fine hairdressing craftsmanship of TG Bedhead's hair collection. Now, joining us today are Ms. Pooja Singh, National Creative Director, Hair, Lakme Salon, Ms. Anupama Katyal, National Creative Director, Makeup, Lakme Salon, and the master designers themselves, Pankaj and Nidhi. I think the first thing that we need to do is congratulations, guys, for a wonderful showcase and a fantastic partnership. I think Lakme Salon season on season has enabled talented artists to bring to the fore the best of fashion. And it's really a privilege to have Pankaj and Nidhi here showcasing their collection at the joint edition of FDCI and Lakme Fashion Week. Thank you for joining us. I think before we move forward, the first thing to do, Pankaj, Nidhi, take center stage. Tell us a little bit about how this collaboration really came into being. What was the journey like ever since you all decided to take on this show and to work with Lakme Salon and putting this together?
I can speak more because of the hair, makeup, and how easily women get excited with that. So I think it has been really a creative collaboration where, our creativity and Lakme Salon team's creativity really worked beautifully together. And it just happened that we were in a beautiful, optimistic, colorful mood, and so were they. Their trends, makeup trends, hair trends, were absolutely in sync with what we were feeling at that moment, and it just worked out really beautifully. The breezy, very contemporary hairstyles, and our language of clothes is very modern, very contemporary, and it gelled so beautifully with their trend-setting hair looks for the season. And it was so nice to see that, different models in different hairstyles, different hair looks, some with tight curls, some with glamorous waves, and the beautiful eye makeup, like a explosion of colors happening on the eyes. So it worked out really well, and it was very exciting.
How did it inspire the design process?
Yeah, I think it was actually, we didn't have to luckily tweak anything much. It just worked. I think, they were probably inspired also to see the collection when they came up with their hair looks and their makeup looks. And it was just a good blend. It was fitting. I think it was just the mood, of a very happy, positive vibe and energetic collection, which, various women, various body types, and for in Lakme Salon's case, various hair textures, and something which flatters everyone.
Right, yeah. So, okay, I'm now going to then move to Pooja and Anupama to really understand. Pooja, Anupama, tell us, you've supported and been at Lakme Fashion Week several times before, enabling talented artists to do their best, right? How is this collaboration different, and how has this process been working with Pankaj and Nidhi?
So I feel that the whole inspiration behind this collection, the new collection called Kaleido, in collaboration with Pankaj and Nidhi, was all about celebrating freedom and self-expression. So actually, when we were having a discussion on the collaboration with Pankaj and Nidhi, when we were talking with them, when we were having the complete discussion, we found out that their vision was for the collection was all about, keeping away the dismal of 2020 and actually celebrating the new beginning and celebrating freedom. So actually, it was well aligned with our inspiration. So I think all in all, I feel that it was a this collection is all about a very optimistic outlook and expressing one's true self. Right, Anu?
Yes, in fact, just like Nidhi and Pooja have put it so beautifully, when we started talking about the collaboration and we saw their collection, it was so happy, it was so vibrant. And, 2020 has been such a tough year for all of us that just looking at these clothes was so inspiring. And, there was so much that one could create in terms of the eye looks. We created a jewel tone look, which had 6 colors, and I think that's so beautifully resonated with their collection. So it's been a wonderful happy journey, I think, with makeup, hair, and their clothes coming together.
Right. Just to know a little bit, because how inspired this entire collection is by the looks created by Lakme Salon. Pooja, Anupama, if you can just walk us through. Pooja, maybe first you. Tell us about what went into, what was the kind of work that went into the hairstyling specifically for the show?
So as I said before, that the whole inspiration is about, expressing and celebrating freedom. So each look was created, to describe the natural texture of the hair. So we were looking at each texture of the hair, whether it's curly or wavy or even natural straightness is there. We wanted to enhance and embrace that natural texture. So each look, though you see on the screen, on the runway, are all ramp versions, but the hair collection is going to be soon launched in our Lakme salons, which will be quite wearable and fluid. So it is going to celebrate the actual texture and the form and the shape of the hair. So we have actually 5 distinct looks for the runway and in the collection as well. So there is a glam wave look, which is going to be for longer length hair, which can actually enhance the movement into the hair. And then we have a twist to the glam wave, which is like a high ponytail, a half-tight ponytail on the top, which will be quite edgy for layered long haircuts. And then we also have tight curls, which will be quite structured, but at the same time, they will be very free and loose as well. One of the looks is also a nice bob with bang, which is styled very nicely with beach waves. So that looks like really trendy and stylish. And last not but the least is the one which is with curls, which are more textured, and they are having a sleek top, just to add more drama for the runway trend-setting look. So this is how we actually, curated all the looks.
Right. And Anupama, when you identify a makeup that, a look that needs to go with the particular creation of Pankaj and Nidhi, what was that process like? How were the looks chosen and how were they finalized?
So, one thing is that when I looked at their collection, there was such a burst of colors. And I think Indian women are ready to, really experiment, and everything's become so inclusive. The colors that we've chosen suit the Indian skin tone really, really well. And that is why we created one of the looks, which is the jewel tone look, which I just mentioned. We have 6 colors, which is a yellow, a lilac, a pink, a touch of champagne, which just pops up the eyes. The second one is a monochromatic look where we used a sweep of orange, and it looked so lovely. And I think Indian women are really ready to sport colors on their eyes. There have always been certain trends, like the smoky eye was a trend for a very long time. Then it was, maybe the red lipstick that people wanted to carry. But now it's time that they start wearing different colors on their eyes. So we've used a mint green color on the eyes, which is looking so gorgeous. You saw it on the video also. But it's not just for the ramp. Indian women, even when you're getting married or if you're going for a party or you want to do your eye makeup, this is the time when everybody's ready to experiment with these looks, be confident about it, and it just gives a very happy vibe to it. So I think when we were selecting the colors, when we were choosing the colors, it was, of course, with the collection in mind, but it was also keeping the Indian skin tone and how Indian women have really evolved to wearing makeup and experimenting with it.
Right, Anupam, I don't think you could have said it better, right? Fashion and makeup, it's all about transcending from the runway to for people to wear it and experience it and live
Yes.
with it. And I think this collaboration absolutely does that spot on. Thank you for giving us that. I'm now going to open the floor to questions. I think everybody who's joined in, you can send in your questions here. I think we already have some. I think the first one here is for both Pankaj and Nidhi. I think whoever would like to take it. What is the greatest influence of your creation, if there is one?
Okay, I'll answer that one if that's okay. Firstly, I'd just like to say a quick thank you to Lakme Salon for choosing to work with us as their designers for the season. It's a great privilege, actually, because it's a collaboration between FDCI and Lakme Fashion Week. And Lakme Salon, this amazing chain of salons which does beautiful hair, makeup, and transforms women across the country, makes them look good, feel good. They're choosing to work with us was fantastic, because their optimistic vision for the year sort of coincided with our optimistic vision, which has been discussed now, but I just wanted to say a quick thank you. On creating the collection, well, colors like an expression for the soul, for designers, for artists. As Anupama said, colors so important. If this last year was like almost like black in our memory, in everybody's memory, and we're hoping that it's now a shade of gray that's turning into white and allowing color to come back into people's lives. And that was sort of the ethos or this feeling we wanted to just emote with color, to create color, and to just sprinkle a dose of joy back in people's lives with this unbridled sort of happy vibe of the collection that you see, which is why we called it Kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscopic colors, patterns. Just wanted to forget the past and move on and look towards a happier, positive future. So we're hoping it comes through the collection. You can see that it's set against a white, the set is like a white, almost like a cloudy space, and the colors pop out against it. The hair looks and the makeup looks complemented very beautifully, I thought. And I think it's been a great feeling to do this season.
Thank you, Pankaj. The next one that we have, I think it's for Anupama. Anupama, I think since we've got you here, everybody wants to know, what are the makeup trends and colors you foresee for the year?
Well, I think makeup trend is going to be a lot of color on the eyes. And the colors that I think will really work well will be lilac, pink, orange, champagne, all these bright colors, and maybe, like I said, mint green, shades of blue. So everything that's just beautiful and that we haven't experimented with before, Indian women are going to be ready to take that on and look gorgeous.
Certainly. Another one, I think, for the designers. What is your fashion philosophy?
Our fashion, since there are two minds at work in our brand, so yes, there was some thinking behind the philosophy, because we both had to agree also. So yes, one very important philosophy is that we want to make very wearable clothes. We want women to feel very comfortable. They should feel wow in the clothes, but at the same time, they should feel really themselves very comfortable. And we want to design for all shapes. We want everybody to find something that they love in the collection. That's always at the back of our minds. We always want to dress. Everyone who steps into the shop should walk out with something that they love and come back for more. So that is our philosophy. And we want to tell something unique each season. We want to think of some idea. The main challenge is to excite ourselves every season, because we want to do something we have never done before. which we haven't seen before, to conjure this new idea for the season. That is the challenge as designers, but an exciting challenge that we managed to do season after season somehow, with the help of our team, of course. So yes.
If I could just say, this is where also collaborations help greatly, and I'm not saying this for effect, but any fashion designer worth their salt will tell you that your look can never be complete. Obviously, when you dress up a customer also, there's the biggest part is here, you see, and they have to look good and complete their look. So collaborations are various kinds, but this one makes such great sense because it's also about completing the look, top to toe. So ideating with the Lakme Salon team, and I just want to add that I was very impressed with how meticulously they planned each look with us, and the 5 looks that Pooja had talked about. The models were discussed in details. The wearers of the clothes, which look would suit each model naturally. It wasn't about imposing looks on them, but also making their own natural beauty stand out. And we found this really amazing. And that's the fashion philosophy, what Nidhi was talking about. We want the woman and her personality and her best assets to stand out. It's not about hiding her or drowning her in the creation. It's about bringing out her natural beauty, which resonates beautifully with the Lakme Salon philosophy. So I guess in that sense.
Absolutely. I think both of you answered that extremely well and completed, the answer there very well. I think one more question that we have is this time for Pooja. Pooja, every year Lakme Salon presents a hair color collection. Why a cut and style collection this time around? Do you see any changes in trends as people get more and more comfortable with stepping out in this post-COVID world that we call?
Post-COVID, see, first of all, people were already scared to come out and, coming to the salons also. But with Lakme Salons, we have 97% people saying that they find our salon safer than home. So that's how we have, looking at people coming down. And then now that they are coming slowly, our theme was that, we want people to celebrate their freedom. So what better way to, shape out their hair shape and, get a new shape and movement into their hair, enhance their natural shape of the hair. And also color is coming, following up with it. We already have our Garam Masala collection, which is still working in our salons, and people are just loving that collection as well. So it's all going together. So with the Kaleido collection for cut and style, we continue to do and celebrate the freedom and movement, and also continue doing color.
Thank you, Pooja. I'm going to wrap this up with one last question for the designers. It's actually twofold. It says, the past year, what have your learnings been? Last season, you had your first virtual showcase at Lakme Fashion Week. What have your learnings been since with the second fashion film? And do you miss the fun and the love that you get on the physical runway?
You can answer first.
Yeah, well, what have our learnings been? I think it's been a challenging year for everyone, and we've all sort of had things we've liked and disliked, and apart from the obvious ones, people have read more, or they've spent more times with their families. We've on one part we've realized that we want to make the brand work more towards sustainability. We've got to design tighter, sharper collections, design less, produce less, make each design count so that you buy sensibly, we produce sensibly, and we've got just one planet, we've got one shot at it, and we've got to do our best to save it. The second part about the buzz and the energy and the adrenaline of a physical show, absolutely, we miss it immensely. We're also artists, and we're also, we crave appreciation like any creative person would, while the creative expression is sort of, we get the appreciation even through a call like this, or through the fact that somebody's out there asking questions, showing interest, reacting, writing about it, spreading the message. But yes, I can't wait to meet Pooja and Anupama again, probably work with them in the future. I can't wait to meet all the wonderful people who are here and asking us questions, in the live press conference. I can't wait for the applause, to hear it. And that kind of energy is something that we miss greatly. And we hope that we can get to hear the sounds of all of that again soon.
I would like to say that I felt that this time we really worked very creatively on our film. We had something in our mind that we want a very contemporary, very modern film. And I felt that expressing ourselves in this way was very new for our brand. And we worked with some very talented people, and we had a great platform provided by FDCI and Lakme Fashion Week to produce this film. It was, everything was, everyone was really cooperative, and it was a very interesting, a very hugely creative process, which I really enjoyed. I mean, on the positive side, I think I've never made a fashion film with so much love ever before. And it was a wonderful creative expression. And I think it's such a strong medium. You can reach out to so many people all across the world. So many people follow our brand and they love the brand, and like they love Lakme Salon brand. And you can reach out to all of them, in one go, and to make that film look really amazing. What creativity can you showcase in that time, and how to, tell a story? This was a very interesting creative process, which I really enjoyed myself.
Thank you.
Can I add something there?
Yes, please.
Yeah, sure.
So, just like Pankaj and Nidhi said, I think the whole Kaleido collection with Lakme Salon and Pankaj and Nidhi worked so well because our philosophies also resonate a lot with each other. It was not just about happy times, it's also about sustainability. And Lakme believes in beautifying the future. That's, very, very important to us also. And just like they talked about inclusivity of, whatever size you may be, even if you look at the makeup, while we've played with colors on the eyes, we try to keep the skin as nude as possible, because you don't really need to cover your flaws. Your skin should glow, you should look happy. We kept the lips very glossy and, while adding the splash of colors on the eyes. So I think because, and the hair was so, the natural texture was so beautifully done by Pooja that I think it all resonated so well with each other. And thank you so much, Pankaj and Nidhi. It has been so wonderful to be with you guys.
Likewise.
Thank you, everyone. I think hopefully the next time we do this, we're all with each other in person. Yes, and I'm sure it's going to be a wonderful time then too. I want to thank everybody here who's joined in. Thank you so much for taking time out. With that, we're now heading towards the last show of day one at Lakme Fashion Week and FDCI. So do tune in to the FDCI and LFW's social handles or the websites to catch all the action live. Yeah, thank you so much again. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.